Hello everyone, welcome to Kamath Astrology, and today we will cover a different topic. That is, in this video we will try to understand how colors affect us through Vedic astrology. Om Shri Ramaya Namaha. Now it is a well-known fact that all of us are affected by the colors that surround us. Okay, so you are very comfortable when you are in a certain surrounding having certain colors, or when you are wearing clothes of a certain color. Now why is this so, and is there any way by which you can use colors to your advantage, that is in such a way that the colors which you use will benefit you? So the answer is yes, you can use colors to your benefit. There is also a branch of science called as chromotherapy or chromopathy. Okay, and chromopathy or chromotherapy is nothing but the use of colors to treat certain diseases. Now, how is this connected to Vedic astrology? Now, in Vedic astrology or even in general science, we know that all planets revolve around the sun. The sun is the king of all planets. So why do the planets revolve around the sun? It is because the sun is the source of all light in this universe. And the planets also receive the light from the sun. So in order to absorb the radiation from the sun, these planets are said to revolve around the sun. If you have ever observed sunlight passing through a prism, you will find that sunlight is not just yellow. Okay, it is a mixture of 7 different colors, and each of these colors has a different impact on the human body. So in Vedic astrology, every planet is associated with certain color, and all these planets are constantly emitting radiation. And since we are a part of this universe, our body absorbs these radiations. Now, if the planet is beneficial to you, the more radiation you receive from that planet, the greater good it will be for you. And if the planet is malefic, then it is better to give away colors related to that planet. So now, as I said, the sun is the king of all planets, and the color associated with the sun is generally bright orange or golden color. So if you have a strong sun in your horoscope, say sun is your ascendant lord and the sun is well placed, if you use golden color, this color will give you great name, fame and success in all your ventures, because the sun also stands for name, fame, authority and good health. On the other hand, if the sun is not well placed in your horoscope, okay, it means two things. First is your body lacks the energy of the sun or the calcium content that is produced by the vitamin D that is received from sunlight. So first thing you should do is, when sun is weak in your horoscope, expose yourself to more sunlight. Okay, let your body absorb the sunlight, let your body get the required vitamin D. And the second thing you should do is, you should donate articles related to the color of the sun on the day of the sun. What do I mean by this? You can donate bright orange clothes, copper articles or golden articles to the poor people on a Sunday. Okay, and do this when the sun is there, that is either in the morning or sometime in the afternoon, but do not do this post sunset. So when the sun is weak, donating articles related to the sun or donating clothes of golden color or bright orange color benefits you, but at the same time it is also essential that your body absorbs a lot of sunlight so that your health becomes better. Jupiter is one of the largest planets in the solar system. In fact, it is the largest planet among the 9 planets. Okay, and Jupiter is a teacher or a guru, and the radiation that Jupiter emits is of yellow color, and therefore the yellow color is associated with Jupiter. So if you are a teacher or you are engaged in professions involving teaching and Jupiter is a benefic in your horoscope, say he is the Lagna Lord and is well placed, or he is placed in the Mool Trikona sign, in that case, if you wear clothes of yellow color when you are teaching something to someone, okay, or if you want to enhance your teaching abilities, then yellow color will be most favorable to you. So a person with a strong Jupiter will find himself performing at his best when he is wearing yellow color or his surroundings have a yellow color. On the other hand, if Jupiter is malefic, okay, then what you should do is you should eat yellow pulses. Okay, you should eat food of yellow color. You should eat food like bananas, which contain lot of potassium, which contain lot of fiber. Okay, and that will help you in a great way to improve your health. If Jupiter is malefic, at the same time, try donating yellow sweets to poor people or yellow bananas to poor people on the day associated with Jupiter, that is Thursday, and also do this during the daytime. So this will improve Jupiter, and if Jupiter is well placed and you use yellow color more in your life, then it will benefit you in a big way. Jupiter is also the Karaka for optimism, enthusiasm and good luck. So if you use yellow color when Jupiter is benefic in your horoscope, when he is the Lagna Lord and well placed, or he is placed in a Mool Trikona sign, then Jupiter will give you maximum benefits. And now I come to the next color and the next planet, that is Mars or Mangal. Now Mars or Mangal is a soldier. Okay, he is associated with action, passion, dominance, fights, surgeries. Okay, and what is the color associated with strong action, strong passion? It is red color. Okay, so Mars is associated with red color. So when you are engaged in activities involving heightened actions, such as a sports race, okay, a wrestling match, and Mars is well placed in your horoscope, you wear red clothes and participate in the sport or the match, and definitely you will find that your performance increases tenfold. This is because red color stimulates action within us. Okay, it drives us to achieve something, and Mars is exactly this. Mars is the reason why you have passion, you have aggression and strong desire to attain a goal. On the other hand, if Mars is malefic, what should you do? If Mars is malefic, donate red clothes to the poor people on the day associated with Mars, that is on Tuesdays. Another important thing which you can do is, if Mars is malefic in your horoscope, do blood donations. Okay, because Mars is also associated with blood, and donating blood is said to please Mars and improve the energy of Mars in your horoscope, especially if Mars is malefic. The next planet is Venus. Venus is also known as Shukra and is associated with marriage, partnerships, semen, love, sex, romance. Okay, and the color associated with Venus is an off-white color. So if Venus is benefic in your horoscope, or Venus is well placed in your horoscope, or Venus is the Lagna Lord or the Yoga Karaka in your horoscope, then using white clothes will enhance your performance, especially in the creative arena such as arts, media, music, dancing, cooking, etc. So let us say Venus is your 10th lord of career, okay, and Venus is well placed in your horoscope, and say you get a call for a job interview, okay, assuming that you have prepared well for the interview. If you go for that interview wearing off-white clothes, okay, off-white formal clothes, then you will be able to give a better performance and bag that offer easily. On the other hand, if Venus is not well placed in your horoscope, then donate off-white colored clothes to the poor people on the day associated with Venus, that is a Friday, and this will bring great benefits to you. So when a planet is malefic, try donating articles related to the color associated with that planet, and slowly over a period this planet will start giving you good results. Now let me go to the planet Mercury or Budh. Mercury or Budh is associated with the green color. Okay, so Mercury is associated with nature. He is associated with a child. If you go out in the morning and you see plants that are exposed to sunlight, you will find that these plants have a lighter shade of green, and as they grow big, they get a darker shade of green. So to enhance the effects of Mercury in your horoscope, Mercury controls your nervous system, he controls your analytical thinking, he controls your judgment, he controls your finances, he controls your communication and speech. Okay, so if you wear lighter shades of green, when Mercury is a benefic in your horoscope, say Mercury is the Lagna Lord and well placed, or Mercury is placed in its Mool Trikona sign, then Mercury will give great benefits to you. Okay, wearing lighter shades of green will enhance your analytical thinking, it will enhance your finances, it will enhance your communication skills, and it will give you great success. On the other hand, if Mercury is malefic, try donating articles or clothes that are dark green in color. Okay, when a planet is malefic, try donating darker shades of the color associated with the planet on the day of that planet. So suppose Mercury is malefic, try donating green clothes, green sarees, okay, to the poor people on Wednesdays, and when you donate, make sure you donate darker shades of green. So this will remove the malefic energy of Mercury from your aura. Now let us come to the moon. The moon is considered as the father of Mercury, that is, intellect is born from the mind. Okay, and the moon is associated with peace, tranquility, emotions, mother and water. And what is the color associated with peace? It is obviously a white color. So if you sleep in a room that has white color, you will be able to sleep more peacefully than in a room that is painted black. Just try doing this and you will find that you get better sleep when you sleep in a room that has white surroundings. This is because moon or the mind is associated with peace, tranquility and calmness, and calmness comes from the white color. So when the moon is benefic in your horoscope, try wearing more white colored clothes and it will give you great benefits. On the other hand, if the moon is a malefic, donate white color or silver color articles to the poor on a Monday, because Monday is the day associated with the moon. So you can donate rice, you can donate silver to the poor on a Monday, and it will be more beneficial if you donate these articles at night. That is the time when the moon is out in the sky. Okay, so if moon is malefic in your horoscope, try donating water, try donating silver articles, try donating rice which is white colored to the poor people on a Monday, mostly at night, and it will give you great benefits. And now I come to the most dreaded and feared planet, that is Saturn or Shani. So what is Saturn or Shani associated with? Saturn or Shani is associated with everything that is old, withered, etc. Okay, and therefore Saturn is associated with the black color. Saturn is sometimes also associated with the dark blue color. So when Saturn is a benefic in your horoscope, try wearing more black clothes, more dark blue clothes, and you will find that you will be more successful in the activities that you undertake. On the other hand, if Saturn is a malefic in your horoscope, then try donating black colored blankets, okay, black colored slippers to the poor people on a Saturday. Also try donating black colored til laddus to the poor on a Saturday, because this is said to please Saturn and remove the malefic energy of Saturn from your aura. Now one very important thing that one must remember is never wear slippers or shoes of yellow color. Why? Because yellow color is associated with Jupiter or Guru, and Jupiter or Guru should never lie at your feet. On the other hand, Saturn is represented by the public. Okay, he is represented by poor people, he represents servants, and the color black is associated with Saturn, and Saturn does well in the feet than on the head. So you can wear slippers made of black color, but never wear slippers or shoes made of yellow color, because yellow color is associated with Jupiter or the divine Guru, who can never lie at the feet of a person. Another thing to remember is that if a color or a planet is malefic to you, let us say Mars is malefic in your horoscope, okay, then try and avoid buying vehicles of red color, because the malefic energy of Mars can cause accidents, okay, if you travel in red colored vehicles. So if Mars is malefic in your horoscope, avoid traveling in red colored vehicles or buying red color vehicles or owning such vehicles. Now what about Rahu and Ketu? Okay, Rahu is associated with the same colors like Shani, that is, he is also associated with the dark blue or the dark black color, and the day associated with Rahu is same as Shani, that is Saturday. So if Rahu is malefic in your horoscope, do the same things that you do for Saturn, that is, donate black colored clothes, black colored blankets to the poor people, to beggars, to leprosy patients on Saturdays, and this makes Rahu a benefic in your horoscope. Now what about Ketu? Ketu is associated with isolation. Ketu is somebody who takes away everything from you, and therefore Ketu is associated with the color grey. So when Ketu is malefic in your horoscope, try donating grey colored clothes, grey colored articles to the poor people on Saturdays, and that will benefit you. So friends, by the end of this video, you would now have realized how colors play an important part in our life, and if we want more success, how we can effectively utilize the colors that are benefic to us to get more success. Now if you like this video, please mark it as liked on YouTube. Please subscribe to our channel if you have not done so by clicking the subscribe button. So when I add a new video, you are notified. If you wish to have a consultation, you can email us at astrosevaworld@yahoo.com or also reach out to us through our website astroseva.tripod.com. So friends, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot. We'll see you soon shortly with another video. Till then, bye. Take care.